Hi, this is Handy TF. In this video, we will show how to finish drywall with little sanding. The first coat of joint compound is the thickest, because you have to use enough mud to fill the joints and cover the screw dimples. This coat takes the longest to dry. You have your choice of paper or fiberglass mesh drywall tape. The paper tape is easier to sand, the fiberglass mesh tape is prone to crack later on. So I would always use paper tape. You shouldn't have to sand between coats, just use the knife to cut down high ridges. Make each subsequent coat, however, very thin. Not only do thin coats dry more quickly, they reduce the risk of indentations and future cracking. It is much less messy to apply 3 or 4 thin coats of mud than to over-apply too much mud, which leaves you with a lot of sanding. Hi, please hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. This will encourage me to make more free videos to help more people. Normally you can start sanding now, since I really dislike sanding, too much dust especially when I am still living in the house. I will rather do one more coat. For this final coat, add some water to thin the mud and mix it well so that it barely stays on the knife. Apply this final coat as thin as possible. When it is dry, it is as smooth as baby skin. I only need to sand the edges slightly to blend it into existing areas. On a side note, if you are not going to finish this bucket of pre-mixed mud in couple of days, don't add any water to it, or it will grow mold. Just smooth the top and put the plastic sheet back, push out the air bubble, and close the lid tightly. I have this bucket of mud for over a year and it is still good. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your time, Handy TF.